Smash that like button.
Hello everyone, follow me and make a friend who understands English. Let's start. Tank top. A sleeveless shirt often worn in hot weather. He wore a tank top and shorts to beat the heat. Sunstroke. Illness caused by overexposure to the sun. He suffered sunstroke after working in the field all day. Beach. Sandy shore by the sea, a popular summer destination. We spent the weekend relaxing at the beach. Slip on. Footwear that's easy to put on and take off. Slip-ons are perfect for casual summer days. Iced tea. Chilled tea, often flavoured with lemon or mint. I had a glass of iced tea with lunch. Sunshine. Bright light and warmth from the sun. The morning sunshine lit up the entire room. Chafing. Skin irritation from heat or friction. He used powder to avoid chafing during the hike. Sandal. Open footwear, perfect for hot weather. She wore sandals to stay cool and comfy. Beach. Extremely hot, weather or objects. It's boiling today, we should stay indoors. Sprinkler. A device that sprays water, fun for kids in summer. The kids played in the sprinkler all afternoon. Sun hat. Hat or cap worn to protect from the sun. I always wear a cap when I go out in the sun. Juice stand. A small place selling cold fruit drinks. We stopped at a juice stand for fresh orange juice. Breezy. Lightly windy and refreshing. It was a breezy evening after a hot day. Refreshing. Something that makes you feel cool, fresh or awake. A cold shower is so refreshing in summer. Sweltering. Uncomfortably hot and humid. We waited in the sweltering heat for the bus.
Don't forget to subscribe.